up? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl D, and you watching Mama TV. Nah. Let's run it back. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl D, and you watching Mama TV. Never mind, I'm not even gonna say nothing. But hey y'all, I'm back again.
Back to back, made back, stack the M's.
But anyways, today I'll be giving you guys a wig tutorial. Matter of fact, let me tell you, a long time no see. I did a video last week. I'm not even gonna say how I did it. But no, I'm not even gonna talk about that. But today I'll be giving you guys a wig tutorial on how to slay your wig, making sure it's scalpy on her. We don't want no orange hair here. We don't want no orange lace here. We don't do that. We don't do that. Nah. I don't want to see the lace, so people can ask me lace swear. No, none of that. And I'll tell you, by the end of this video, my wig will be scalpy on her. Girl, what? But like I was saying, I'll be customizing a wig for y'all and show y'all how to slay your own wigs. Like if you wanted to learn how to do it, I'll show you how to do it. Doing hair is not really hard. You just gotta practice and then you'll just get it. You feel me? But today we will be using I don't know what kind of hair this is. But we using AliExpress hair. It's a 10-inch bob. It was cheap. $50. Get it? $50? What? I know. But we still finna slay this hair even though it's $50. Just a little bob. $50 is straight. It's from AliExpress. I'll link it down in the description box for y'all. Let me show y'all how the girl is looking. The girl it's looking a little jacked up right now, but we can fix that later. The girl is looking very much Bob girl from Incredibles. But at least she's not stiff. Stiff where? Huh? Stiff where? Oh, okay. That's the least that they'll say about this shit. But let's see how scalp. The lace is not all that. I wasn't expecting $50 to have a freaking transparent lace, but zoom in for y'all. Okay, so we gonna turn this to scalp, okay? Scalp. I hope you're listening. Scalp. All right, look at it now. See how it's like a little brown tint to it. But I'm gonna be showing y'all how to slay this wig. I was thinking about doing bangs. I don't know. But I'm gonna teach y'all how to slay this wig, and I'm gonna do a voiceover, by the way. So I guess we will get into the video. By the way, disclaimer. Forgive me for how I'm looking. You know, it's quarantine. I've been staying in the house for 4 months, 5 years already. I done did 5 years. 5 years in the penitentiary, man. Free my dog, bro. Free me, bro. Free me. Excuse me, I've been looking raggedy. It is what it is. Y'all want to see how to make the wig. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. That's dead on dad. It don't matter how I look. But anyways, let's get to the video. So all these supplies you can find at your local beauty supply store. They're really not that much. So first you'll be needing the BW2 powder for your bleach. Then you'll also be needing the 40 volume developer. You can use any volume you want. The lower the volume, the longer it takes to bleach. As you see, this is $2.99, so it's really not that much. Next, you'll be needing the Shimmer Lights shampoo. This is going to change your lace from orange to natural looking. We don't need them orange lace fronts now, looking like Trump. So as you can see, I'm going to put the powder in my little bowl I have. The powder is strong. So you can do this outside. Open your window because you will not be able to breathe. Pour it. Pour, pour, pour. Yeah, I had to open that window because it was strong. So now you're gonna use your 40 volume developer. Pour some of it in. And you are going to mix until you get a thick consistency. So once you get that thick consistency, you are now going to put it on the wig. So now you are going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash. Look at this lace. Stop playing with me. So now you're going to take the Shimmer and Light shampoo, scrub it in, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. We need that scalp to be looking right. So you're gonna have the pointy part facing towards the lace, and then you are going to pull part out of the section and pluck. So now you're gonna get your hot comb, and you are going to lay this down, tame this wild hair. So you are going to comb all the hair back, as I'm doing here. And then you are going to comb the hair down and make it as flat as possible. After you're done, your hair should be looking like this. Scalp. Do you see that? Do you see how flat she is laying? So this is the end result. I'm messing with it heavy. But this is the end of the video. Make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe, baby. We on the road to 1K. And I know I could do it. I know y'all could do it too. Y'all could subscribe. What you waiting for? Subscribe, baby. Subscribe. Thank you. But this is the end, and